Okay, here's the EST-44 test we're going to run right now on these bins. And we're going to run about, it looks like we got enough containers for about 5 racks. And you're going to see a rack going through the machine. We put a glass door on the front of the machine so you can see them going through. And there'll be a rack coming out about every 15 seconds. We got the wash water heated up in the wash tank, which there's a built-in heater in the tank that we've got the water temperature set at 160 degrees. And as they come out the left end of the machine, they'll be hit with a freshwater rinse. And run the racks through back to back. Let each rack be right up against the other one. Pack up these bins, send them to you, and see if you're happy with the results. The machine has detergent in the wash tank, and it's set for about titration 6, which is the strength of the detergent versus the water. As you can see, we can do 2 containers at a time. You can do one of the larger ones and one of the smaller ones, or 2 of the small ones. But you can't run 2 of the large ones at one time. Bins have little pockets in them, so you're going to have to shake the water that's collecting on top of them. You'll have to shake the water off because it gets trapped in the little pockets on the top of them. Looks like we have 6 racks. The reason we're using different colored racks, they're from different manufacturers, and we wanted to make sure it didn't matter what rack we used. They would all, because they're all basically the same dimension, and they're just, everybody has their own way of molding them, and so they have different hole configurations in them. We wanted to make sure that it didn't matter what rack was used. And if you find that you need help sourcing the racks for the bins, we can give you the information so you can go direct. Okay, that completes our test. Again, this unit is set at 160 degree wash water, and it's got a final rinse that's putting out about a half a gallon of water per rack, and it takes about 16 gallons of water to fill the machine. So we've got a wash station. We got a power rinse station that rinses off whatever detergent's on there, and then it goes through a final rinse, which basically, if there's any soap left on the containers as they reach that position, then it gets rinsed off. So we're hoping that you're happy with the results, and we'll put these containers back in boxes and ship them to you today or tomorrow.